According to the resource, A Comprehensive Guide to Mobile Learning Design by Diana Cohen at Shift eLearning, there are 10 strategies you should keep in mind when designing mobile learning content. In this episode, I'll briefly cover the 10 strategies. If you would like to learn more, please visit the link provided in the show notes. Strategy number 1, only include the must-know information. According to cognitive load theory, our brains can only process a certain amount of information at once. If we overload a mobile course with too much content, it might overwhelm learners and make them leave. Strategy number 2, streamline the mobile learning experience for speed. Remember, mobile learning is different from learning via a computer or laptop. Mobile learners expect the speed of an immediate response while using a mobile device for learning. Strategy number 3, adapt to the medium. Make sure to consider what it takes to adapt to the medium of learning through a mobile phone. For instance, take into account how a mobile phone is used throughout the day in comparison to the use of a computer in the same period. Strategy number 4, strategic layout. In a report by Search Engine Watch, one notable difference between mobile and desktop e-learning is the learning time spent on different devices. It was reported that desktop user visits lasted up to 3 times longer than mobile user visits. Strategy number 5, test before launch. The key here is not to launch a mobile course until it has been tested on multiple devices to ensure proper function and deployment. Also, don't rely on a single person to test the course. One recommendation from Diana at Shift eLearning is to test the course with different types of users, from tech-savvy ones to newbies, so you can ensure it is intuitive for everyone. Strategy number 6, responsive design is the norm. Today, responsive design is the norm in mobile learning. Students are using devices of all sizes and shapes, from mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and personal computers. It is common for them to often switch between devices multiple times per day, depending on their location. According to research, nearly 87% of millennials say they use 2 to 3 devices per day. Strategy number 7, keep the user and context in mind. Research suggests that mobile learning should be less like the content found in a typical e-learning course and more focused to support orientation. Mobile learning is more effective as just-in-time or just-in-place modules or part of a broader learning intervention. Strategy number 8, simplify. When you use too many features and options, this can confuse learners. Every button, graphic, or paragraph added makes the screen more complicated, which ends up overloading your learners. Again, think about cognitive load theory and how much our brains can process at a given time. Strategy number 9, keep in mind the way learners interact in mobile environments. Mobile devices use touchscreens, which means the way users interact with a mobile course is going to be very different. Instead of using a mouse to click, roll over, or hover, users tap their screen to interact with the different elements. Make sure to incorporate simple menu styles, increase the spatial size of buttons, and enlarging interface elements of buttons. And finally, strategy number 10, design to capture feedback. Mobile devices provide you access to the always-on connection to the learner. Through this connection, you can send out quick notifications and messages about new content and important announcements. This allows you to meet your learners where they are in their learning journey and provide them with just-in-time training. If you're ready to try this on your next build, I've got a tool to keep you on course. Call to action, the Glove Box Guide.